Hello guys, welcome to the 12th session of the API.AI tutorial for beginner. In this section we will understand how to publish and integrate your bot in the Skype, Slack, Messenger, Google Assistant and the Cortana, as well as your own website too. Let's switch to the browser. Click on the integration from the right side navigation menu. You can see that API.AI provide the long list of the integration as well as the SDK as previously said. We need to enable the integration for the web demo. For this, click on the setting and from the top make it enable. Let's open this link first. Here is the example of the robot. You can test it here. Let's write the hi. We got the hi there as expected. From here we can embed email or the set the our iframe code. I don't have the any existing HTML page or the site for the testing purpose, so I am creating the new file and obtain the embedded code and copy the iframe, paste it here and save it on the desktop, index.html, and let's open the desktop and open the file. Here is the our bot that is embedded in the HTML page. You can now also try to write the sum of 90 and 65. Here we got the sum of 90 and 65 is 155. That's it. We are integrated it with our own website. Here we are use the API.AI's client, in which it will display the logo and the watermark. If you want to remove it, you can use the CSS trick, but I suggest to create your own client. We will see how to use the SDK to create your own client in the later session. Let's see what we are learning in this session. We need to open the integration from the right side navigation and click on the setting of the web demo and make it enable, and copy the iframe code and place it in the your HTML page, and here is the example of it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.